U.S. Government Test. Write your name, class period, and date. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 1. A system of government where power comes from the people. Is it A, monarchy, B, theocracy, C, dictatorship, or D, democracy? Question number 2. Limits that keep the government's power under control. Is it A, checks and balances, B, federalism, C, rule of law, or D, separation of powers? Question number 3. A very important civilization that gave us democracy. Is it A, ancient Roman, B, ancient Chinese, C, ancient Egyptian, or D, ancient Greek? Question number 4. This English document limited the power of the King of England. Is it A, Magna Carta, B, Constitution, C, Bill of Rights, or D, Preamble? Question number 5. The rights that every person has a claim or privilege to have for themselves. Is it A, unlimited rights, B, the Bill of Rights, C, limited rights, or D, individual rights? Question number 6. Laws in the United States. Which important principle of the U.S. government is reflected in the diagram? In the diagram starting from the left to the right, the first one says the legislative branch passes laws. The middle box says the executive branch enforces the laws. And the last box says the judicial branch interprets laws. Is it A, individual rights, B, popular sovereignty, C, federalism, or D, separation of powers? Question number 7. Federalism is best defined as a principle of government that A, divides power between the national government and state governments, B, includes a system of checks and balances, C, allows the states to nullify national laws, D, places the most power in the hands of the legislative branch? Question number 8. The first 10 amendments of the United States Constitution are referred to as the A, Rules of Law, B, Articles of Confederation, C, Declaration of Independence, or D, Bill of Rights? Question number 9. Under the constitutional principle of popular sovereignty, the authority of government comes from A, state legislatures, B, the U.S. Supreme Court, C, acts of the U.S. Congress, or D, the will of the people? Question number 10. Which of the following best completes a diagram? Let's look at the boxes starting from left to right. Separation of powers, limited government, federalism, checks and balances. Which of the following best completes a diagram? Is it A, principles of the Bill of Rights, B, principles of the FBI, C, principles of Magna Carta, or D, principles of the U.S. Constitution? Question number 11. The main purpose of the executive branch is to A, interpret the fairness of laws, B, make the laws, C, enforce or carry out the laws, D, override the veto of laws? Question number 12. Which of the following best describes the location of Canada? Is it A, in North America, bordered by Mexico to the south? Is it B, in North America, whose southern border is shared with the United States? C, in Western Europe, bordered by Russia to the east? Or D, in Western Europe, bordered by Spain to the east? Question number 13. What is the role of the legislative branch of government? Is it A, enforce the laws? B, interpret the laws? C, follow the laws? Or D, make the laws? Question number 14. The judicial branch of government is responsible for A, interpreting and ensuring that the laws are constitutional, B, making the laws of the U.S., C, carrying out the laws of the U.S., or D, making treaties with other countries. Question number 15. What American document established a limited government that protects a citizen's individual rights today? Is it A, the Magna Carta, B, the English Bill of Rights, C, the Constitution, or D, the Mayflower Compact? Question number 16. Our national, state, and local governments are called representative governments. What is the role of citizens in a representative government? Is it A, they participate directly in all government decisions? B, they have no say in government decisions? C, they elect federal judges who then appoint government leaders? Or D, they elect government representatives who then make decisions for them? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 17. Which amendment below protects the freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition? Is it A, Third Amendment, B, Sixth Amendment, C, First Amendment, or D, Second Amendment? Question number 18. Which amendment states that there should not be any unreasonable searches and seizures without a warrant? Is it amendment number 1, A, B, amendment number 4, C, amendment number 8, or D, amendment number 6? Question number 19. What are the guarantees of amendment number 6? A, the right to bear arms, B, no quartering of soldiers, C, state rights and powers, and D, the right to a speedy trial and a lawyer. Question number 20. Which amendment states that there should not be any cruel or unusual punishments? Is it A, amendment number 6, B, amendment number 3, C, amendment number 8, or D, amendment number 5? Question number 21. The Mississippi River is bordered on the east by which state? Is it A, Louisiana, B, Arkansas, C, Texas, or D, Alabama? Question number 22. Which mountain range is in the U.S. Midwest region? Is it A, Appalachian Mountains, B, Sierra Nevada Mountains, C, Rocky Mountains, or D, Guadalupe Mountains? Question number 23. Which mountain range is in the eastern region of the United States? Is it A, Appalachian Mountains, B, Sierra Nevada Mountains, C, Rocky Mountains, or D, Ozark Mountains? Question number 24. Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario form the A, National Lakes, B, Continental Lakes, C. Great Lakes, or D. Regional lakes? Question 25. The blank is a tributary of the Mississippi River. Is it A. Rio Grande, B. Canadian River, C. Brazos River, or D. Ohio River? Remember to double check your answers. Good luck.